Hello again, I am Rianne Salter of Minding My Books. This is only one video in a series that I have put together to help you work with the Advanced Inventory software of QuickBooks Enterprise. This video can be used as a tutorial for those who already have the software or a demo for those looking into how Advanced Inventory works. In this video, we will look at how QuickBooks Enterprise Advanced Inventory deals with sales order fulfillment, how the pick, pack, and ship works, along with the purchase order management and receiving inventory. To allow me to keep making my tutorials, I simply ask that you hit the subscribe button. It is totally free. When you do hit the subscribe button, along with the notification button, you will be alerted when I put out a new video to help you with your QuickBooks software. If you have already purchased the software and would like to see if I can save you more money on your current subscription, contact me and I will see what I can do. If you have not purchased the software and would like a demo or a consultation on buying the software, then contact me. Minding My Books can meet or beat any price out there. Minding My Books is an Intuit reseller company and QuickBooks solution provider. We specialize in QuickBooks Enterprise and have been around for many years. Being a reputable company, you will find it beneficial to work with us. We have experience in most markets, including construction, wholesale distributing, retail, manufacturing, HVAC, and many more companies. Contact me by email if you have questions concerning QuickBooks Enterprise. Now let's get to the video. Hi everyone, my name is Rianne Salter with Minding My Books. I would like to go over the newer features added in QuickBooks Enterprise Platinum Edition of Advanced Inventory. This would be a continuation of my first Advanced Inventory demonstration. First, we will start with the Site Operations section. This Site Operation tab includes several options. This Site Operation tab allows you to turn on the Sales Order Fulfillment worksheet and the Purchase Order Management worksheet. You can also add a supported mobile scanner or Android phone for warehouse usage. These worksheets provide a single location to view the status of all applicable orders. Let's enable the Sales Order Fulfillment worksheet so I can show you how it works. On the Dashboard tab of the Sales Order Fulfillment screen, it will show you the tabs up top, which will show you all the sales orders. You can also sort by open sales orders. You can see the pick sales orders, the pack sales orders, and any ship sales orders. We'll go back to the all sales orders. In the next section, you can search by your customer name or your sales order. So if I just type in here Sheboygan, it will bring up everything with Sheboygan. Or if I want to search for a specific sales order, it will show every sales order that relates to those numbers. You can also search by sites. You can also search by fulfillable status. And you can also search by a specific time frame. And the information in the columns shows the sales order number, the date of the sales order, the customer name, the shipping address, the number of items that are in the sales order, and then the status of the sales order, the ship details, and then the site, the warehouse location, and whether the sales order is fulfillable. If it's not fulfillable, then you're not able to move forward with picking or packing the items. And then action is the last one. If you want to choose multiple sales orders, you can choose it for batching. Your options for that is to send for picking, send for packing, send for express pick and pack, or mark as shipped. Okay, let's show an example of a sales order right now. Let's pick this one here for, we'll just pick this 10129. We'll choose our action, which is to send for express pick pack. So here we have the item check marked. shows there are 5 to be fulfilled, and it shows here that there are 35 available. I'm going to click in this blue box. It will bring up the item. It will show all the different inventory sites and the quantity on hand at each site. Then you will see onto the right hand side it will show all sites, and then it shows Sheboygan because that's the site that's chosen for this sales order. It'll show the quantity on sales orders. It'll show the quantity reserved for assemblies if there are any. And then you can also see details, so any sales orders that are out there, any pending bills, or any purchase orders. You can also choose to show the details for the selected site only. We'll click close. So as you can see, this is fulfillable, and I'll click next. And here is where we would add any notes. So talk to Steve before packing. And then you can assign your packer, which we will assign Rayanne. Then you have your choice to either send to device, or you can just print your express pick pack list manually if you don't have a device. I'm going to be using my Android device just to show you how it works on your mobile barcode scanner. So I'm going to click send to a device. Then it tells you that your sales order has been sent to your express pick pack to your device. Click OK. Okay, so now that you look at the sales order, you will see that it was sent for pick pack. I've connected my Android phone to demonstrate the pick and pack process. From the QuickBooks Desktop app, choose Warehouse. Here I can start the process to perform cycle counts, pick, pack, or express pick pack for sales orders, or receive purchase orders. Any items assigned to me are shown in each category along with unassigned orders. I am going to choose the express pick pack option. This screen shows the number of sales orders directly assigned to me. Each order will display the customer's name, shipping address, sales order number, any notes, along with the total numbers of items to pick. You can choose the Unassigned tab to assign any unassigned sales orders to yourself. I will tap on the first sales order. A message will come up to assign this pick and pack to yourself. I will choose Yes. This order is now showing under My Assigned tab. To start the pick pack process, I can choose the first sales order on my screen or search by customer name and or by site. I will tap on the first order on my list. The customer name appears on the top of the screen. The item number with a short description, bin location, and quantity to pick shows in each item box. I can sort my items by bin, item, or status, and click to choose ascending or descending. If I have a barcode scanner such as a Zebra TC25, I can start by scanning. Since I only have one item, I will choose that one. This screen shows the quantity assigned, item number, item description, barcode number, and bin location. Enter the quantity picked by using the plus or minus buttons or by simply entering the number in the box. I will enter 5 and then click Pick. You will repeat this step for each item in the pick list. Once that is complete, choose Proceed to Pack. A pop-up box will ask to confirm that you want to proceed because the picked quantity cannot be modified later. Choose Yes to confirm. This screen will show the shipping address and a summary of all your items from the pick list. Choose which items to pack. Next, choose Add to Package if weight, dimensions, or notes need to be added. I will enter 5 pounds and the dimensions of 24 by 24 by 12. Enter any notes pertaining to your order. I will enter expedite shipping. Keep in mind, you can have multiple packages for one order, or you may not even use the add to package feature if you don't ship your products. Once that is complete, click OK. Click Done once finished with packing. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm that your pick and pack is complete. I'll click Yes, and you can see that the information is syncing back to QuickBooks Enterprise software with confirmation that your task was completed. Choose Go to Task to continue with the rest of your orders. Let's take a look at the sales order fulfillment screen in QuickBooks Enterprise. The orange flag shown on any of the top tabs means that there is new information to update. I will click the Express Pick Pack tab to update my sales order. Choose a line item to update the sales order. You have two options in the status section to either view the pick pack list or print the packing slip. I will view the pick pack list first. On the top left-hand corner, you can search by item number or by packing status. On the top right, you can see any notes sent from your warehouse worker. You can also refresh your screen if needed. Your item number, description, sales order number, customer name, bin location, to pack and packed quantity, pack status, and if there were any issues with the sync are shown in the details section. The only field that can be edited is the packed quantity field. In the bottom left, you will see the number of packages and can choose to edit or remove the information. If you choose to edit, a dialog box will appear allowing you to delete a package or add a new package. Once you are finished with your choices, select OK. I will choose Update Sales Order to show the changes in QuickBooks. You will get a message stating that the next step is to ship. To print your packing slip, choose Print Packing Slip. Here's a preview of what it looks like. You are able to customize the template so it looks much better than what I'm showing you. The next step is to create your shipping label or to mark the order as shipped. On the dashboard screen, you will choose your sales order to print the shipping label. Your options are shipping through FedEx, UPS, or USPS through the shipping manager. The sales order will be updated with the shipping and tracking information. If you use another software for shipping, you can choose a sales order and mark them as shipped. To invoice your client, click into the sales order number and create the invoice. You are also able to print the packing slip from the invoice. Now let's talk about our purchase order management worksheet and what it can do for you. Let's go back to turn on the preference to enable purchase order management. Go to Edit, Preferences, Items and Inventory, Company Preferences, choose Advanced Inventory Settings. Under the Site Operations tab, make sure Enable Purchase Order Management is checked. Click OK, then click OK again to save any changes. To use the Purchase Order Management worksheet, go to the Vendor tab or Inventory tab at the top of the toolbar. Choose Purchase Order Management Worksheet. The Purchase Order Management worksheet has two tabs. The Purchase Order tab lets you manage purchase orders, and the PO Progress tab lets you change and track the status of purchase orders. The Purchase Order tab dashboard shows your PO number, vendor name, number of items to receive, shipment carrier, the warehouse site which you can choose, receive status, any open amount, the date of the purchase order, your sales order associated to your purchase order, and any notes are shown in the activity section. You can search for a particular purchase order by PO number, item name number, or sales order number in the memo field. You can also view your purchase orders by site, status, or vendor. I'm going to sort by open status to show only the open purchase orders. To send a purchase order for receiving, select the checkbox of the PO you want to receive. You can choose multiple POs to receive, assign a receiving site if multiple inventory sites are enabled, select the Send to Device drop-down menu, then choose to send to device which sends the information to the app or mobile barcode scanner. Or you can print to receive, which will print the worksheet for manual receiving. You can also assign a receiving employee and add a note if needed, then send or print. Now I will demonstrate how to receive the items on my Android phone. My app is shown on the screen. To receive your items from a PO, click Receive. You can search by PO number or vendor name. Choose the site or keep it checked on all sites. Choose your PO. Scan your items to receive in, or manually enter the number or check full quantity. This screen shows the quantity expected, item name and description, along with bin location. Select your bin if it's different than the default. Add any notes pertaining to the order. Click Receive when finished. Click Update to send to QuickBooks, then Finish to complete the process. The next step is to click on the PO Progress tab. The Purchase Order Progress tab dashboard shows your purchase order number, vendor name, warehouse site, receiver information, the date it was created, order status, any notes, and next actions. You can sort by each row. For example, if we wanted to sort by status, we can click on the Status column tab in ascending or descending order. You can search for a particular purchase order by PO number, item name, number. You can also search your purchase orders by site, status, or vendor. You can choose how you want to proceed from the Actions drop-down menu. Here you can view the receive list. This will open a form to manually receive items. You can create an items receipt, which will automatically create an item receipt for the selected purchase order. The third option is to create a bill, which will automatically create a bill for the selected purchase order. You can choose either to create bill or create item receipt from a received purchase order. Here's what it looks like when you create a bill with a received status. Let's go back to the home page. As we have demonstrated, QuickBooks Enterprise Platinum Edition allows you to use a mobile scanner to efficiently receive items from purchase orders or pick and pack items collected from a warehouse to complete sales orders. To use the mobile barcode scanner on a supported mobile scanner device or Android phone, you have to first add the device to the preference list along with the warehouse desktop app. Let's go back to our site operations preference to show where we added our device. Some of the supported mobile barcode scanner devices are Zebra TC20, 25, and 51. I've already added my Android phone along with installing the Desktop Warehouse Manager app found in the Play Store. After installed, your device works with the Warehouse Manager app to perform cycle counts, receive purchase orders, and pick and pack sales orders either manually or with a scanner. The device will send updated purchase orders and sales orders back to QuickBooks Enterprise. You'll also need to set up each warehouse worker assigned to fill or receive orders as a picker. This is done by setting up the worker in the vendor section. The names of all pickers added in QuickBooks will appear on the scanner. Please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos for QuickBooks products. Thank you for watching my video.